Alam mo ba, sa ating pagsusulat, kailangan natin ng punctuation marks para idugtong o ihiwalay ang mga sets of ideas na ating mga sinusulat para hindi malilito ang babasa. So alam mo ba kung kailan gagamitin ang punctuation mark na semicolon? According sa Merriam-Webster Dictionary, gagamitin ang semicolon para i-connect ang mga independent clauses na nasa compound sentences. So instead na gagamit tayo ng comma pagkatapos coordinating conjunctions na and, but, for, so, or yet, semicolon na lang ang gagamitin natin. Kagaya ng mga examples. Lyra started an online business, comma, and it made her a millionaire. Pwede nang wala ang comma at ang and na coordinating conjunction. Gagamit na lang tayo ng semicolon. So, Lyra started an online business, semicolon, it made her a millionaire. Ang example na to na may but. Genevieve wanted to go to Henan in Panglao, comma, but Riza chose to stay at Amonini in Anda. Pwede hindi na tayo gumamit ng comma at coordinating conjunction na but. Lalagyan lang natin ng semicolon ang gitna ng dalawang independent clauses. Genevieve wanted to go to Henan in Panglao. Riza chose to stay at Amonini in Anda. Pwede rin natin gawin ito sa compound sentence na connected by coordinating conjunction of for. Nakapareho ng because, pero ang kapartner niya ay independent clause. Kasi ang because, kapartner nito ay dependent clause. Rachel was given priority at the bank, comma, for she was pregnant. So pwedeng hindi na tayo gagamit ng comma at for. At gagamit na lang tayo ng semicolon. Rachel was given priority at the bank, semicolon, she was pregnant. Pwede rin tayong gumamit ng semicolon before sa mga conjunctive adverbs like moreover, also, nevertheless, however, otherwise, therefore, then, finally, likewise, consequently, indeed, thus, at iba pa. Or yung mga transitional expressions like in fact, on the other hand, as a result, in that case, for example, that is, at iba pa. So instead na lalagyan natin ng period yung naunang independent clause, before sa conjunctive adverb, pwedeng semicolon lang ang gagamitin natin. Kagaya nito, Ivy splurged her inheritance on luxury items, period. Consequently, with a capital C, she went broke a year later. Pwedeng hindi na tayo gagamit ng period at semicolon lang ang ending ng first independent clause at hindi na natin i-capitalize ang first letter ng conjunctive adverb. Kagaya nito, Ivy splurged her inheritance on luxury items, semicolon, consequently, small na ang C, she went broke a year later. Ito rin, the rugged path to the top of the mountain was challenging, period. Nevertheless, to the capital N, Fidel and Jay made it to the summit just before sunset. Pwede na semicolon na lang ang gagamitin instead of period at hindi na i-capitalize ang first letter ng nevertheless. So the rugged path to the top of the mountain was challenging, semicolon, nevertheless, small na ang N, Fidel and Jay made it to the summit just before sunset. Ganito rin kung gagamit tayo ng expression na, for example, Nimitz knows how to amuse himself, period. For example, he watches people passing by his windows and concocts backstories about them. Pwede tayong gumamit ng semicolon instead of period after himself. Tapos hindi na natin i-capitalize ang first letter ng for. Mainam rin na gamitin ang semicolon kung meron tayong mga list of items na nag-contain ng comma. Kagaya ng mga cities na napuntahan na ni Wawi. Ang list nito ay nag-contain ng comma para i-separate ang cities sa country. At dahil marami ang nasa lista, iba-ibang lugar, isi-separate natin sila using semicolon. Wawi loves traveling and has been to Paris, France. Semicolon. Cologne, Germany. Semicolon. Vienna, Austria. Semicolon. Cape Town, South Africa. Semicolon. Istanbul, Turkey. Semicolon. Buenos Aires, Argentina. Semicolon. And Jerusalem, Israel. Period. So, ang lista ng mga cities ay na-separate using semicolon. So, hindi na masyadong confusing sa babasa nito. At para mas madaling basahin, pwede natin siyang gawing bullet style. Kagaya nito, lalagyan lang natin ng colon ang last word before sa items na nilista. Ang colon ay yung punctuation mark na parang dalawang period na pinagpatong-patong. Ito yung punctuation mark na kasunod ngayon ng has been to. Pagkatapos niyan, ang mga lista na naka-bullet style ay mag-i-end bawat linya ng semicolon. At yung lista sa dulo, sa pinaka-last na line, ay mag-i-end na siya ng period. So parang normal na sentence. Kaya period ang punctuation mark na kasunod ng Israel.